simple linear regression model to variable regression model. Yi equals to alpha plus beta xi plus ui, where ui is stochastic disturbances and xi is independent variable, while yi is dependent variable. Alpha and beta are regression parameters. So assumptions for the simple linear regression model is that disturbance term ui is a random and real variable which follows the normal distribution. And the second assumption is that expectation of ui equals to 0 for all I, and third is variance of ui equals to sigma square for all I. This is the assumption of homoscedasticity. And fourth is expectation ui uj equals to 0 when I not equal to j, means assumption of non-auto correlation. And covariance ui comma uj not equal to 0 where disturbances are correlated. Fifth assumption is x is explanatory variable which is non-stochastic or non-random. Sixth assumption is ui is independent of explanatory variable xi, that is expectation xi uj equal to xi expectation uj, which is equal to 0 for all I running from 1 to for all I takes value 1 to n. Distribution of dependent variable yi equals to alpha plus beta xi plus ui. I takes value 1 to n so on n. Since ui's are IID normal 0 comma sigma square, that is ui follows normal 0 comma sigma square, that is expectation of ui equal to 0, variance of ui equals to sigma square for all I takes value 1 to n so on n. yi equals to alpha plus beta xi plus ui, which follows normal alpha plus beta xi comma sigma square for all I, that is expectation of yi equals to alpha plus beta xi, variance of yi equals to sigma square. Estimation of regression parameters. Ordinary least square method. So method of parameter estimation. True relationship is given by yi equals to alpha plus beta xi plus ui. I takes value 1 to n so on n. Estimated relationship is given by yi equals to alpha cap plus beta cap xi plus ei. I takes value 1 to n so on n, where alpha cap and beta cap is estimates of alpha and beta respectively. Ei is error or residual estimate of disturbance term. Sum of square due to error SSC. SE square equals to summation I running from 1 to n ei square, I running from 1 to n yi minus yi cap ka square, which is I running from 1 to n yi minus alpha cap minus beta cap xi ka whole square. Value of alpha cap and beta cap for which si square is minimum. So we differentiate SSC by alpha cap and beta cap respectively. Then we get the equations. Summation yi equals to n alpha cap plus beta cap summation xi. Equation 1, summation xi yi equals to alpha cap summation xi plus beta cap summation xi square. This is equation 2. So by multiplying equation 1 with summation xi minus multiply in equation 2 with n and subtract these two forms and also divided by n square, we get summation xi yi by n minus x bar y bar equal to beta cap in bracket 1 by n summation xi square minus x bar ka whole square. Thus beta cap equals to covariance xi x comma y by variance of x, that is beta cap equals to summation I from 1 to n xi minus x bar in bracket yi minus y bar upon में summation I from 1 to n xi minus x bar का whole square, that is beta cap equals to s xy by sxx. If we denote xi minus x bar equals to small xi, and capital Yi minus capital Y bar equals to small yi, then beta cap equals to summation xi yi upon में summation xi square. Divide equation 1 by n. Y bar equals to alpha cap plus beta cap x bar. This implies alpha cap equal to y bar minus sxy by sxx into multiplication x bar, which is OLSC of alpha, OLSC of sigma square. Since yi equals to alpha plus beta xi plus ui I from 1 to n takes value, summation ei square equals to summation yi minus y bar का square, y cap का square. This means summation I from 1 to n yi minus alpha cap minus beta cap xi का whole square. अब since y bar equals to beta cap x bar equal to alpha minus beta cap x bar equal to alpha cap, this implies by putting this value summation I from 1 to n yi minus y bar minus beta cap in bracket xi minus x bar का whole square syy plus beta s cap square sxx minus 2 beta cap syx. By this term we will get this, and summation ei square equals to syy minus beta cap square sxx. By putting this beta cap value we will find it 2 beta cap square 2 beta cap sxx. Expectation on both side sxx expectation beta cap square on both side. By taking expectation on both side, expectation summation I from 1 to n ei square equals to expectation syy minus sxx expectation beta cap. Beta cap follows normal beta comma sigma square by sxx. So expectation of beta cap square equals to sigma square sxx plus beta square. This is equation 2 and this was equation 1. Since yi equals to normal alpha plus beta xi comma sigma square, expectation of syy equals to summation I from 1 to n expectation yi minus y bar का whole square, which is summation I from 1 to n variance yi minus y bar plus expectation yi minus y bar का whole square. This is equation 3. अब since variance yi minus y bar equals to n minus 1 by n sigma square, expectation yi minus y bar equals to expectation yi minus summation I from 1 to n expectation yi by n. So beta in bracket xi minus x bar. Therefore expectation syy equals to n minus 1 sigma square by plus beta square into sxx. This is equation 4. Putting the values from equation 2 and 4 in equation 1, we have expectation summation I from 1 to n ei square equals to n minus 1 sigma square plus beta square sxx minus sxx in bracket sigma square by xxx plus beta in bracket close equals to n minus 2 sigma square, that is sigma square cap equals to summation ei square by n minus 2. OLSC of sigma square equal to summation ei square by n minus 2 is an unbiased estimator. Statistical properties of OLSC. First, linearity. So beta cap equals to summation xi yi minus y bar in bracket xi minus x bar by summation xi minus x bar का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू समीशन yi xi minus x bar अपॉन में समीशन xi minus x bar का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू समीशन yi into small xi by summation small xi square. So where small xi equals to capital xi minus x bar for all I. Suppose that small xi by summation small xi square equals to ki for all I takes values 1 to n so on, and then beta cap equals to summation I from 1 to n yi into ki. It linear function of y. It is linear function of y. So it follows the linearity property. Since alpha cap equals to y bar minus beta cap x bar, which is summation I from 1 to n 1 by n minus x bar ki out of bracket yi equals to summation I from 1 to n ai yi, where ai equals to 1 by n minus x bar ki for all I 1 to n so on n. This is the linear function of y's, so it also follow linearity property. Equation second, unbiased property second, unbiasedness. Since beta cap equals to I from 1 to n ki yi equals to I from 1 to n ki in bracket yi का alpha plus beta xi plus ui, alpha plus beta xi plus ui. Since beta cap equals to beta plus summation I from 1 to n ki ui, taking expectation on both side, expectation beta cap equals to beta cap plus beta plus summation I from 1 to n ki expectation ui equals to beta. Since expectation ui equals to 0, so it follows the linearity property, sorry, unbiasedness. Thus OLSC of beta is unbiased estimator of beta. Alpha cap equals to 1 by n minus x bar ki yi I from 1 to n. So alpha minus alpha x bar summation I from 1 to n ki plus beta x bar minus beta x bar summation I ki xi and plus summation ui by n minus x bar summation ki ui. Since ki u xi 1 होता है and summation ki 0 होता है, तो बाई दिस वैल्यू अल्फा कैप इक्वल्स टू अल्फा प्लस 1 बाई n समीशन I फ्रॉम 1 to n ui minus x bar summation ki ui, taking expectation on both side. Expectation alpha cap equals to alpha. Since expectation ui equals to 0, so OLSC of alpha is unbiased estimator. The third property, alpha cap and beta cap, variance of alpha cap and beta cap. Since beta cap equals to beta plus summation I from 1 to n ki ui, so beta cap minus beta इस साइड आके होल स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू समीशन के आई स्क्वायर यू आई स्क्वायर प्लस 2 टाइम्स समीशन जे 2 not 2 times here, remove, we should summation I j from 1 to n summation I from 1 to n ki ui kj uj, where I not equals to j. So variance of beta cap equals to expectation, taking expectation on both side. Beta cap minus beta bar beta का होल स्क्वायर. सिंस एक्सपेक्टेशन यू आई यू जे इक्वल्स टू 0 फॉर आई नॉट इक्वल टू 0, सेकेंड टर्म विल बी 0 बाई टेकिंग एक्सपेक्टेशन. फर्स्ट टर्म समीशन के आई स्क्वायर 1 to n इंटू सिग्मा स्क्वायर. Since summation ki square 1 to n equals to 1 by summation small xi square, so sigma square by sxx. Thus beta cap follows normal beta comma sigma square by sxx. So since alpha cap equals to alpha equals plus 1 by n summation ui minus x bar summation ki ui, so alpha cap minus alpha equals to 1 by n summation ui minus x bar summation ki ui equals to 1 by n minus x bar ki out of bracket ui, which is summation ai ui, and alpha cap minus alpha equals to summation ai ui. This implies alpha cap minus alpha का whole square, which is summation ai square ui square I not equals to j from 1 to n I from 1 to n ai aj ui uj. Since expectation ui uj equals to 0, since I when I not equals to j, and expectation ui square equals to sigma square. Thus variance of alpha cap equals to expectation alpha cap minus alpha का whole square equals to sigma square summation I from 1 to n ai square. So sigma square summation I from 1 to n 1 by n square ai, putting the value of ai na, yes 1 by n का स्क्वायर था तो स्क्वायर एक्सप्लिसिट कर 1 by n स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स बार स्क्वायर के आई स्क्वायर माइनस 2 एक्स बार के आई बाई एन सिग्मा स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 1 by n minus taking summation on both side, we will get by summation ki this term will be 0 1 by n plus summation x bar square by summation small xi square. So sigma square in bracket summation xi square upon में n summation small xi square. So alpha cap will follows normal alpha comma sigma square in bracket summation xi square by n small x square. summation small xi square. Gauss-Markov theorem. So model yi equals to alpha plus beta xi plus ui I from 1 to n. I takes values 1 to n so on n. Since variance of beta cap equals to sigma square by summation xi square, sigma square by sxx, where beta cap equals to summation yi ki equals to xi upon me small xi square summation में. And variance alpha cap equals to sigma square in bracket 1 by n plus summation x bar square by summation small xi square. Similarly here, suppose that beta star is another unbiased estimator of sigma square. So beta square equals to summation wi yi, where wi is a constant such that wi not equals to ki, but wi equals to ki plus ci. Here alpha cap is another, alpha star is another unbiased estimator of alpha, so alpha star equals to summation 1 to n 1 by n minus x bar wi and alpha plus beta xi plus ui, where alpha star equals to alpha minus alpha x bar summation wi plus beta 1 by n summation xi में मल्टीप्लाई करके समीशन लेने पे इधर ये टर्म आ जाएगा. एंड यहाँ भी सेम. सो बीटा स्टार इक्वल्स टू समीशन 1 to n wi in bracket alpha plus beta xi plus ui. By taking expectation on both side, alpha के टर्म में we will get this, and from here alpha star is unbiased estimator of alpha if and only if summation wi equals to 0 हो जाएगा and summation wi xi equal to 1 हो जाएगा, then only since expectation of ui equals to 0 for all I. Similarly here beta star will be unbiased estimator of beta only if summation wi equal to 0 and summation wi xi equals to 1. अब since wi equals to ki ci, if beta star is unbiased estimator of beta, then summation wi equals to summation ki 0 है ही, summation ci भी 0 हो जाएगा. summation wi xi equals to 1 होता है, तो summation ci xi equals to summation ci xi equals to 0 हो जाना चाहिए. Here summation wi equals to summation ci equals to 0 हो जाना चाहिए. Here summation wi xi equals to 1 होता है, summation ci xi equals to 0 हो जाना चाहिए. So beta star equals to alpha summation wi plus beta summation wi xi plus summation wi ui, when summation wi equals to 0 and summation wi xi equals to 1. So beta star minus beta equals to summation wi ui, and here alpha star equals to 1 by n summation 1 to n in bracket 1 by n minus x bar wi out of bracket yi. So variance of alpha cap equals to summation 1 to n 1 by n minus x bar wi का square variance of yi. So sigma square and 1 by n minus x bar square summation wi square minus 2x bar summation wi. So variance of alpha star equals to sigma square 1 by n sum x bar square by summation small xi square when summation wi equals to 0, summation wi square equals to summation ki square plus ci square. So ki square equals to 1 by summation small xi square. So here sigma square ci square. So variance of alpha star minus variance of alpha equals to sigma square summation ci square. Therefore variance of alpha star is greater than variance of alpha cap. Thus alpha star is blue of alpha. So alpha cap, it should be alpha cap is blue of alpha since variance of alpha cap less than है alpha star से. Here similarly variance of beta star will be greater than the variance of beta cap. Thus beta cap is blue of beta. Thus the least square estimators of classical linear regression model are best linear unbiased estimator.